Unit 5A, Lesson 1. In this lesson, we're going to go through the general proof showing why all circles are going to be similar to each other. So first, we're going to go through the general idea. We have circle A with a radius R2, circle B with radius R1, and then we know that R2 is greater than or equal to R1. We want to prove that circle A is similar to circle B, and we can complete this proof with two general ideas. The first idea or thing we have to do is a transformation. We need to translate so that the center of circle A is mapped to the center of circle B. Once we translate the center of circle A to the center of circle B, next we need to perform a dilation because we can see these two circles have a different size because their radii are different. So we need to go back and think about the scale factor, which we represent by the letter K. K represents the scale factor. We need to take the radius of the image, the circle we're ending up with, which is R1, divided by the radius of the pre-image, the circle we started with, which was R2. So once we find the scale factor, now we're going to dilate circle A by the scale factor to come up with circle B. So for the general proof showing why any two circles are going to be similar, first you need to translate the center of the pre-image to the center of the image. Then you need to dilate the pre-image by a scale factor to get the image. To end the lesson, we're going to go through a specific example, maybe making more sense for the transformations we have to complete to show that these two circles are similar. So we have circle A with the center at 0, 0, and circle B with the center at 0, 6. The radius of circle A is 1, and the radius of circle B is 3. So first, we have to perform a translation to get the center of circle A to circle B. We're not moving in the X direction at all. We're only moving in the Y direction, and we move in the Y direction 6 units. So we have our translation from point A to point B. Next, we need to perform a dilation. So we have to determine the scale factor. So we take the radius of the image, which is circle B. So we have the radius, which is 3 units, divided by the radius of the pre-image, which is circle A, and that radius is 1. So if we take 3 divided by 1, we get a scale factor of 3. So first, we perform the translation to map the center of the pre-image to the image, and then we perform a dilation by the scale factor to get these circles to be the same size. So this is a process for showing that two circles are always going to be similar to each other.